Hello and welcome to the biggest solo adventure of my life. Cycling from southwest Germany to the most southern point of Europe, a small town at the tip of South Spain, Tarifa. What you are seeing right now are nothing but a few glimpses of the breathtaking landscapes I was lucky to see on my 3,800 kilometers long bikepacking and paragliding journey. These amazing places alone don't do justice and can't describe what I have experienced and seen along the way on this trip. It is simply too much to show. Therefore, if you would like to see this bike touring adventure from the beginning or specific episodes, make sure to click on this notification on the top right corner and have a look at the videos I posted in the past. I traveled from Germany to Spain, traversing multiple countries including Switzerland and its imposing mountains, France with the mesmerizing Côte d'Azur, Monaco and the rich lifestyle, and later crossing back into France, pedaling down the east coast until reaching Spain. Once in Spain, I kept on cycling down the entire eastern coastline of the country, which led me to Gibraltar. A vibrant, interesting country to say the least. In the last episode, I arrived at my final destination, Tarifa, and I couldn't be happier doing so. In this video you are about to see my return back home and how I managed to do so. Enjoy watching the video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as well. Who would have thought that I am going to ride back from Tarifa to Algeciras? I didn't think that, but now I also have the chance to film and take nice pictures. And now you can see Morocco in the distance. Yeah, that's where it is. And once again, I am here. So I am actually now in the train. It's very surprising to me, but I decided last minute to take a train from Algeciras to Malaga because I have absolutely no chance to find a bus that travels from Algeciras to Germany except online, and online was not possible with the bicycle. So I am now in the train. I went to the train station in Algeciras and I bought a ticket to Malaga, and I am going to buy most likely a ticket to fly back home. It's going to cost me more than I actually wanted to spend in the beginning, but that's how it is. That's where my bike is now. Right now we started the ride to Malaga, and I am going to have to change the train. And the problem is that that's how my bike has to be hanging there. So I took my luggage away and put it up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. My sleeping bag, blanket, tent, lock, and all of these things have to come back on the bicycle when I change the trains. It's going to be an adventure, I tell you. It's going to be an adventure to reach back home. Jesus Christ. I've been now, I would say, for almost 3 hours or 2.5 hours on the road. So now I am arriving in Antequera, and from there I'm taking the next train after half an hour of waiting to Malaga. I had to put the luggage back on the bike, and let's hop in the next train. Yep, I am now out of this train from Algeciras to Antequera, and I have to wait here another half an hour for the train that is going to bring me to Malaga. So yeah, just waiting now, just waiting. Welcome back to Malaga. I have 14 kilometers to ride to the freaking airport now, and it's almost 10 o'clock in the night. I am now outside, out of the train main station in Malaga. That's the train station. That's how it's looking like around here. is now 2 a.m. And I didn't close one single eye. I have been busy looking for the tickets, and I finally found something with Air Europe. I am going to fly. It was the best option for me in this case, to not stay too long here anymore in the airport. Today, as I am talking, is the 1st of September at 2 a.m. and I will fly in about, I would say, 19 hours, 18 hours from now on. At 9:30 in the evening today, I booked now a bicycle for 75 euros on top of the ticket. It was 280 something euros, but I still have to buy a cardboard box for the bicycle. The problem is I do not know where to get one. I hope in 2 or 3 hours they are going to open these booths to be able to ask. Oh my gosh, the last couple of hours, actually the last 10 hours have been really nerve-wracking. I waited till 6 o'clock in the morning or 6:10 when they opened the booth, and I asked the questions that I want to know about the luggage. How can I disassemble the bike? Do I need a box? Can I just use foil? And so on. I had to go to the city, find the place first of all, or I can find the box, and finally I have the freaking box. This is what I needed. I had to pay 20 euros for it, and I had to transport it from the shop where I bought it from with the train through the city. It was crazy, a crazy experience. I never thought it's going to be so stressful. The guy from the booth told me it might also be possible to just wrap it, but then I have to sign a paper that it's my responsibility if the bicycle gets damaged. So I said, you know what, let me just buy the box nonetheless, even though I couldn't even carry it. Look how big it is. I couldn't carry it, nor couldn't I tie it to the bicycle. I managed to slowly crawl to the train station that was just 300 meters away from the shop, go downstairs first to the box, then with the bicycle. I have experience already in this, what happened to me in the forest anyway in France. So then I managed to bring the box and the bicycle in the airport, and now I'm about to disassemble everything and try to make an idea. Okay, I managed to pack the bicycle, and these are my bags. These two I am going to give away in a bag. This I take with me, this I give away, and this I take with me. And now we can already start moving, which is great. Let's check in. I finally made it. I have never been so relieved ever at a flight. My bicycle is now checked in, my luggage is now checked in. Now I have my cabin luggage and my sleeping bag. Now let's look for the gate. I was so anxious about the checking in, and if that's going to work out. You have no idea what I've been through, man. I really went through fire to finally have this cardboard to put the bike in. All the stress the night that I didn't sleep, and all just to fly back home. It would have been less stress to ride back home, but just longer, you know. Okay, gate D48. It's right there, top corner left. And now is back to being a slave, putting the mask on just for an hour, maybe not even.
Les informamos que no está permitido fumar ni el uso de cigarrillos electrónicos.
Buenas tardes.
Fue con humor y seguro.
Okay, I just touched down in Madrid, and I am looking actually for a place to sleep. So I'm just going to go here behind this building. Exactly, I make myself cozy right there. This is going to be nice, and I can maybe also catch some sleep. I have no light anymore in front of me. Good night. Good morning, guys. I am now waiting for my airplane from Madrid to Zurich. I was really tired last night, so I still caught like 4 hours of sleep. I think in 1.5 hours I am going to take off, and I cannot wait to reach Zurich. And it's actually crazy, you know, that I am happy for the fact to ride the bike back home. Hopefully I can assemble everything again properly. I will take my time. That's going to be something else.
Gracias, buen
Muchas
vuelo.
gracias. Thank you.
Hola, buenas.
And I am now in the plane. Yes, I'm gonna be there. 2 hours of flying. There we go. I landed. Now I go and pick up my baby. Yes. It's right there. I can't wait to assemble it again. Let's see if it's still good. Well, you can see that it got here a couple of damages. Here too, here too, here too. I just hope that everything is okay. Everything is in its safe place, same way. Got no scratch. And yeah, let's start assembling it now. Yes guys, so I am now ready to hit the road, the next 120, 130 Ks, which are going to be my last for a while. But oh my gosh, I am really excited to ride from Zürich back home in the Black Forest in Germany. So yeah, that's the bike. It survived with absolutely no scratches. Everything is good on it, everything works. I pumped the tires really good, light works. So let's hit the road, let's go. I am now at the exit point, 124 kilometers back home. Let's hit it. The last 14 kilometers now back home. I am at 1000 meters altitude over the sea level. Wow, I already pushed now 110 kilometers so far. Feeling good. Last stretch. I had to climb over 1100 meters from Zürich to this point. This is the highest now that I have reached, and from now it's just the last 14 kilometers, I think, downhill. Let's go. And this is where my journey started, with the trailer and the paraglider. But now it's just me, the bike, and my luggage. Talk to you later. I made it.
And I am back home. For continuity purposes, let's just put the hat on. This is actually 2 years later, almost 2 years later, to the day, is when I finally managed to finish editing all these videos from my entire bike touring journey, which I hope that you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed sharing with you. It is overwhelming to put in words what happened along this journey. If you have been watching this vlog from day one, then you know what I have been through. Maybe just 5 of you guys or 10 people are going to watch so far in this video, but you matter to me. I appreciate you a lot. Thanks for the support. Continue watching my channel and my vlogs. I am going to upload the bangers this upcoming year, and as usual, I am very happy to share my experiences with you. Take care of yourself, and thanks a lot for the support. Bye bye.